Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to transfer money Sparkasse online banking. So guys, the first step you need to do, open the app on your mobile device and go to send, look of the send money option, as you can see here guys. After that guys, you have different option to transfer your money. You have transfer, you have reference transfer, standing order, and for gem bank transfer. Choose the anyone type you want to transfer. After that, enter the recipient or IBAN, and you can scan your recipient QR code option, or you can select template. After that guys, choose the amount you want to transfer this amount from here, and you can write a message for your transfer. After that guys, verify your information here and your all information from here: account, application, account, amount. Verify your amount and save the template. After that, click on verify your transfer and complete the steps. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget, give like and share, share with this video for more content, and see you on another video soon.